Hey party goers. Y'all, so today I have the Mainstay coffee maker. This was $20 from Walmart. It is a Walmart brand. I've had it for about 2 years already, so I just wanted to do a review on this. You can do capsule or ground coffee. And then here is a little container to put your ground coffee in. And then right here, yeah, I did see reviews about the water problem because here is the little measuring cup that goes in here. If you can look, you can see the numbers in there. But being in here, it's pretty difficult to see. I could say that it's my only complaint about this. It's not that easy to see, so you do got to get in there and look in there when you put your water. I will be putting the description of the coffee maker in there. So we're going to go ahead and put the water first. So I do 8 ounces of water. And then we're going to do the Dunkin' Hazelnut ground coffee. This, you just follow the directions. It says measure 1.5 teaspoons of ground coffee per 6 ounces of water. So I'm just going to do 2 teaspoons since I did 8 ounces. There's 1. And 2. So you're just going to go ahead and close it. And then you're going to push ground. So now the water's just going to heat up. And then when it's ready, it will drip your coffee in. So make sure you always have your cup, just in case. Because that's the thing too, there's no button to push that you want your coffee in your cup. As soon as you push this and it gets hot enough, the coffee's going to come out. So you need to make sure you have your cup in there. I did purchase this as well because I was traveling a lot and I do like ground coffee. So I purchased this. Also, I had purchased RV. So this was really good to take with me just because I was so scared of, like, when driving, that if I had a $100 coffee maker, that thing was just going to fly all over the place, right? So at least this one, you can just tuck it in a cabinet and you're good to go. And if it falls or breaks, it doesn't really matter. Just go get you another one. It's 20 bucks. So that's what I do like about this coffee maker. I'm not really sure how long it takes to start pouring, so I guess we're going to figure that together right now. Turn so you can see it here. There it goes. So there you have it. Your ground coffee.
Hey, can you handle it? Hey, can you handle it? Yeah, who's on it? Fall back. Hey, can you handle it? Envy bitches can't get this, y'all ridiculous. This is my year to go off. I play to win, and I'ma go all out. I got the club jumping, and then they call they bumping, and then they hoes they humming. Everyone flowing in, flowing in. Hey, can you handle it? Hey, can you handle it? Yeah, who's on it? Fall back.
Me and Flo on the track, nigga, fall back. Lil' mama so fly, and she all that. Okay. Mr. Magic hooked me up with the high track. Fuck that, trust that, know we gotta buzz back. Yes.